is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today I've got one from Naked. This is their Thai-style coconut and lemongrass ramen noodles in a spicy coconut and lemongrass flavored broth with cilantro. And yeah, this is made in Great Britain. So yeah, the whole thing is only 100 calories, but there's really not a lot to it. So basically, you take that, a cup of water, you take your stuff, you pour it in, and it's, wow, it's hissing at me. That's weird. And then you give it a stir. And you give it a minute. Oh look, it's Miles. What you doing, Miles?
Hello, Papa.
How you doing?
My name is Miles.
Yeah?
I'm just talking.
Okay, that's fine. So you doing videos today?
Yes, I would say hi to you.
Well, they're over here.
Hi, nice people.
Well, there's
Hi, nice
Mimi.
people.
I don't think they can see you on that side. Here, let me
Yes,
help
I'm
you out.
playing a game.
Okay.
My Little Pony.
I'm getting attacked, ladies and gentlemen.
Watching YouTube on my tablet.
Oh, well, you do a lot of videos, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. How do you say? What do you say on your videos? You gotta hurry. We're on a tight schedule. We have 16 seconds.
We have 16 seconds.
Yeah.
16 seconds.
You're always like, hey, this is Miles, and today. So what's going on today?
I don't know, but
Okay. Well, why don't you guys go back out there? Papa's got to continue cooking.
the time is over. Okay. Okay, love you.
Love you. Love you.
Love you.
And then another stir. They've been really interested in not listening lately, but that was pretty good. Here's what we got. There's not a lot. They're very thin, short. Ramen? Maybe this is the one people are talking about. There was one that I've heard people saying a couple times. It's just like, that one ain't good. I've had other ones that were quite good, though. Bland. Crushing it. Okay. All right. Our friend Rotato, the rotating platform, is here, ladies and gentlemen. And then we have this. And then we have this. And then Rotato being unrotatory. So I don't know exactly what to do with this because that's what we got. Thai lemongrass, huh? I don't know. Couple chicken floaters. You know? Maybe some pepper on there. Some spring onion, maybe. I could do black sesame seed. It's up there though. Here's some regular sesame seed. I don't know. What do you think? I think we're good. I could do some mung bean sprout, but it's gonna be so freaking stark and bleached looking. I can't do it. I'm sorry for all you fans of it. I could have used coriander, which would have made a lot of sense, but that's for the guinea pigs. So let's I think we need to go that way, right? Yeah, and then we need to go. There. Alright, thanks for watching as always. The next one we've got is made in South Korea, but it's obviously for the US market because it's all done up the way it is. This is Mr. Rice noodle soup. Hopefully there's no mustaches in it. That'd be kind of, I don't know. But it's pho flavor. So Vietnamese flavor in a South Korean variety for the US market. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles, and watch again tomorrow. Have a good one. Bye-bye.